Right, we're at the Biz Hub, this is what it's called. And we got an elevator. Biz Hub. Wood grain cabin, this one, wood laminate. Ooh, it's got that hydro fluid smell. Probably an MPH II, like everything else here in this building. Let's see really quick. Oh, it might be a little too bright for me to look, but I'm gonna see. Take out my ungodly big key ring. See if this is a holeless. Yes, it is. Whoa, hey, stop that. Yeah, look, there's the jack right there. I don't know how well you can see it on camera. There's the jack. It's a holeless hydro. So that's interesting. Makes sense. We're on the third. This goes between floors 3 and 4. So, I mean, obviously, you can't really put an in-ground jack unless it goes down into the usable space of a floor. Anyway, that's the Biz Hub elevator. Another MPH. Anyway, that will be all for that one.